Hey Mark, what are you up to?
Well, I got my smoking kit out for my
Okay.
Scotch.
Okay.
So I've loaded up the chips
Okay.
with hickory flavor.
Okay.
Now, I got my Scotch in my ice. Now I
Okay.
have to light the chips,
Okay.
get them burning and smoking.
That's kind of a cool kit. I've never heard of a kit like this before. So, Kathy and Michael, you gifted this to Mark. Let's just see if he's going to catch the house on fire. And this is supposed to be a smoked Scotch or anything.
Yeah.
Just Scotch, bourbon,
Well,
anything you'd like.
Alcohol,
Alcohol. Okay.
whiskey,
Whiskey.
maybe vodka, I don't know.
Let's see, you have oak, you have cherry, apple, and which one are you
This
using
one
right?
is hickory.
Hickory. Okay. Okay, you can just watch Mark play around with his Christmas present here. Let's see. Ooh, the house smells good. The house smells really good. Oh, it's
lit.
smoking.
Well, it's lit.
Okay, it's lit. Okay, all right. We didn't even know that there was something like this out there. Where did you guys find
There
it?
it goes.
Okay, then, okay, it started smoking a little bit. All right. All right. So is it supposed to make your Scotch smoky flavored?
Yeah, yeah.
Will it make it hot or just smoky?
Just smoky.
Okay.
I don't think I got it burning enough.
Trial and error?
I don't see any smoke coming.
I suppose you should have Kathy over here, and she would, maybe she and Michael has done this before. Is it still on fire?
No.
Okay, so you're gonna light it again.
I might need a hotter torch.
Yeah. Hey, Kathy and Michael, he might need a torch. Okay. Let's see what he does with this. Maybe you need more chips.
No, it was pretty full of chips.
Okay, maybe the chips, I see it's starting to smoke.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I'm really, really thankful you're not trying to make 6 or 8 of these. You know?
Oh, no, it's not a...
I think it would be a waiting line at that time, don't you
Yeah.
think? Okay. So,
It says burn the chips.
okay, burn the chips.
Top of the chamber.
This is some pretty serious work for a
Oh
glass
boy,
of Scotch.
yeah.
There's got to be a secret. Maybe this helps a person cut back on alcohol because before
Yeah.
you could get it smoked, it's going to be bedtime.
But it does smell good while it's
Yes.
burning.
Yes, it does. Actually, it's really smelling good, not unless the smoke detector takes off. Okay. Now, is there like little holes right there?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The little container has holes in it
Oh, very.
that the smoke's supposed to come out of.
Okay. Very nice glasses.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Not enough.
Oh, it's smoky.
Yeah.
So maybe it doesn't take very much.
Yeah, I may have too much in there.
Well, you might. I mean,
Let's see if we let it burn and smoke with it uncovered.
this will make the house smell good. Interesting.
Have to Google it.
Or read the instructions.
Oh, I read the instructions. It's
Oh.
one line.
One
Burn-
line. Okay.
Burn them, it says.
Okay. Well, when you took the lid off, there was quite a bit of smoke that came out. So I suppose if the lid was on, the smoke would come through those little
Keep
holes.
it in there. Yeah.
Possibly.
Yeah.
How much fun is this?
Cool.
Do you feel like a kid at Christmas time?
A real professional bartender.
Yeah. Yeah, just one customer at a time, once every
Worse than
an
a latte.
hour. Okay.
Ten to 20 seconds.
Oh, well, you've done it 4 times that. Okay. So the real test is going to be, one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. Do they actually stay on fire?
Well, it's kind of like chips.
Yeah.
It's kind of like charcoal. It should light and smolder.
There you go. Now that was the biggest flame so far.
Yeah.
Okay. So then you let it just burn for 20 seconds?
Well, you got to cover it sometimes. It says 10 or 20 seconds.
Okay. Well, your ice is melted. Could
Well,
start
it
off with
always-
quite a few more.
It always melts.
Okay. Well, while waiting, do you have a Christmas joke?
No.
Me either. Well, you could just say Merry Christmas. You could sing Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Okay.
Oh,
Now
there's
that
bunch
was a lot of
smoke.
smoke. Yeah. Oh, that.
Why does it go out and not down there?
I don't know.
Maybe it does, and the pictures make it look a little too enhanced.
Well, there was quite a bit of smoke when you took the top off, the wood top.
Well, yeah.
There
But
was.
this is showing it coming out of the glass.
Well, it shows everything coming off from the glass.
Well, take that off, But see, I was taking this little cover off.
So you should take it
and
all
the
off.
smoke would, well, yeah, but there's not. Maybe there was. We'll give it
Okay.
a drink now.
All right. All right.
That's smoky.
Do you like it?
I think so. I think so. It's all in your mind, right? I think so.
All right, we're signing off.